The number one best remedy for dental plaque, tartar. 1. Introduction, the truth about tartar. Still think brushing your teeth is enough to fight tartar? You might want to sit down for this. Once tartar forms, brushing alone won't remove it. That rough, gritty feeling near your gum line? It's not leftover food and it could be tartar. And once it's there, no amount of brushing will get it off. 2. What is plaque and how does it turn into tartar? Plaque is a sticky, invisible film of bacteria that forms on your teeth just minutes after eating. If it's not removed through brushing and flossing, it hardens into tartar, also known as calculus. Tartar is plaque that's calcified, and once that happens, it's locked in. 3. Wait, so toothpaste doesn't work? That's right, even high-end whitening or tartar-controlled toothpaste can't break down hardened tartar. Once tartar has bonded to your enamel, no DIY solution will remove it. 4. The only real solution: professional dental cleaning. The number one best remedy for tartar is professional dental cleaning. During a cleaning, your dentist or hygienist uses special tools, like ultrasonic scalers, to safely remove tartar from your teeth and below the gum line. Why is that important? Because tartar leads to inflamed bleeding gums, gum recession, muddy persistent bad breath, tooth decay, tooth loss. This isn't just about looks, it's about your health. 5. Think you can skip the dentist? Think again. Even if your teeth look clean, tartar might already be forming below the surface. Tartar is silent but dangerous. Regular cleanings every 6 months are the best defense against hidden problems. 6. On to what you can do at home. Stop tartar from forming. While you can't remove tartar yourself, you can prevent it with the right routine. 8. Brush correctly, not just harder. Use a soft bristled or electric toothbrush and brush for 2 minutes, especially near the gum line. B. Floss every day. Flossing removes plaque between your teeth, where most tartar begins. C. Use antibacterial mouthwash. Look for one with bacteria-fighting ingredients like chlorhexidine or essential oils. D. Cut back on sugar and refined carbs. These feed the bacteria that form plaque. Less sugar, yours, less tartar risk. E. Drink water and chew. Sugar-free gum. These increase saliva flow, which helps naturally rinse your teeth. 7. But what about baking soda and oil pulling? Let's talk about those trendy natural remedies. Oil pulling, swishing coconut oil, may reduce bacteria, but it doesn't remove tartar. Baking soda can help with whitening and minor plaque, but doesn't affect hardened deposits. Green tea may reduce inflammation and bacteria, but again, it won't break down tartar. These can support your routine, not replace cleanings. 8. Dangerous trends to avoid. Some DIY solutions are downright harmful. Lemon juice or vinegar, too acidic. These can erode enamel and weaken your teeth. Scraping with metal tools. Without proper training, you can cut gums or damage enamel. Hydrogen peroxide undiluted. May irritate or burn soft tissue if misused. Stick to safe, evidence-based oral care. You only get one set of teeth. 9. Let's recap. What actually works? Here's the short version. Tartar can only be removed by a dental professional. Brushing, flossing, and rinsing prevent tartar from forming. But once it's there, you need a hygienist to get it off, safely and completely. 10. Are you overdue for a cleaning? If it's been more than 6 months since your last cleaning, now is the time. Tartar can form quietly, even when your teeth feel fine. Preventive care now can save you from pain, expense, and tooth loss later. 11. Final takeaway. Your smile is worth protecting. Tartar is tough, silent, and persistent. But with a smart daily routine and regular professional care, you can beat it. Don't rely on trendy hacks. Trust the proven science. Brush, floss, rinse, and don't skip the dentist. Your future smile will thank you.